How to sign up for Teachable affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'll teach you how to sign up for the Teachable affiliate program. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can access it easily by clicking the link in my description box. If you are interested in earning passive income by promoting Teachable, the leading online course platform, you are in the right place. But before we dive into the steps, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our helpful tutorials. So, what exactly is the Teachable Affiliate Program? It's a fantastic opportunity for you to earn commissions by promoting teachable platforms to instructors and course creators. Every time someone you refer sign up and pays for a teachable plan, you will earn a commission. It's a win-win situation for both of you. Before we start the sign up process, let's go over the requirements to become a Teachable affiliate. You must have an active online presence such as blog, YouTube channel or social media following. You need to be passionate about online education and Teachable. Make sure you have a PayPal account and to receive your earnings. Now let's talk about the benefits of Teachable. So here's a step-by-step process on how to sign up for Teachable affiliate program. Open your web and go to Teachable website. I'll provide you the link in the description. If you have already an account, you can click on creator login, but if you don't have an account, click on start for free. Here you need to provide your details including your name, email, website and PayPal for payments. So let's get started. First of all, type your name. Then here you need to provide your email address. Then you need to agree with the terms of use and privacy policy. Click on I agree, then click on create account. Here you need to tell them more about yourself. Do you currently run an online business? Yes, we'll click on yes. Full time, how is big the organization? And we'll say 2 to 4 people. And here are some more questions. Let's fill them. Make sure to provide accurate and detailed information about your online presence. After submitting your application, Teachable will review it. Approval usually takes a few business days, so keep an eye on your email for updates. So here is your referral link. Basically, in your dashboard, you will find your unique affiliate link, marketing materials and details, reports on your referral and earnings. Let's click on dashboard. And that's it. You are now ready to start promoting Teachable and earning commission as a Teachable affiliate. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.